Dr. Fishman here, y'all. I'm gonna put some more Hot Wheels for y'all here, y'all. It's my boy here, but he wanted to show y'all his Lego build that he built.
Police truck.
His police truck. Check it out. He's got a good imagination, and he can build anything. All right, y'all. We want to say a haze.
Hey.
All right, let's turn this camera around and open up some cars and have some fun.
Why did you just have that one thing around, baby? Why did you just have to hit that turn around thing?
Yeah. All right, y'all. First, we're gonna open up the Mazda Auto Cam.
Hey, what's an auto cam?
This is a little tiny truck. That ain't tiny, is it?
Typical truck, but it's a zoom cam, Dad.
Auto Cam, yeah.
Zoom cam, Dad?
Auto Cam.
Auto cam? What's that tiny truck? But it is not a tiny truck, though.
Check this big old joker out, y'all.
It's a zoom
All right,
cam,
y'all.
Dad.
While that's on the turn, we're gonna open the surfing school bus with the old Aerosmith symbol on it.
Why does it have a Smith?
Aerosmith's old, like the old tour bus.
Yeah, I'm going to pretend it is, Daddy.
Yeah. All right, y'all. That one's on the Turner. We're gonna open up the Nissan Skyline GTR R33, the Godzilla.
What? Godzilla? Inside?
Open it, yeah. That one would be.
Look like that. Oh, let's go. Yeah, it's Godzilla on the side, Daddy.
Well, that's more of it, baby. There you go.
It's Godzilla on the side, Daddy.
Yeah. Well, that was on a Turner, y'all. We're gonna open up the BMW 507. Here, baby.
507, Dad? 507? Is the hood open on it?
No, baby.
Why? But I thought it did, Dad.
Check that one out, y'all. Well, that was on the Turner. We're gonna open up the Nissan Skyline R30.
Hey, look what I just found in my bucket. No Tesla.
Yeah, look at that, baby.
And the Tesla. I found the Tesla. What is that? What is this?
It's a Nissan Skyline.
What is it?
Check that out now, y'all.
What is it when it looks like just the warrior, Daddy?
All right, y'all. We're gonna open up the '69 Ford Mustang Box 302 in the Falcon delivery.
Hey, which one did you get for me, Daddy?
I didn't get none of these for you, baby.
Why, Dad? Why didn't you
Because I bought them with the other ones.
Did you buy them with what, Daddy?
Bought them with the other ones. I got this one for you, but you didn't want it.
But that's okay. I can still have it.
All right. Well, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video right here. Let's turn this camera around. We can say our goodbyes. Come on.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out.
All right, y'all.